I'll tell you what, it feels a little springy out there, and temperatures are still on the rise as we go through the night. It's been a cool afternoon. We've been in the 40s for a lot of it. We've peaked into the 50s now, and I don't think we're quite done. But as you can see, there's a whole lot of raindrops that enter into the picture here, and we have plenty of rain that is still to come as we go through the night tonight. For right now, though, we get a bit of a break. The radar is relatively dry. We do have some pockets of drizzle, some sprinkles, and the temperatures are changing too. A very interesting picture you're looking at right now. Not just, the colors, but the pattern of those colors. Blues to the east, greens to the west. Note that the colder temperatures are east, the warmer temperatures are west. This is really a larger picture that we have to spread out and show you, because the greens do extend here and then they kind of cut off. We have a frontal boundary that is draped across the Great Lakes region, and not only can you see that in the temperatures, but when you put the winds on as well, the wind patterns do change. Winds are out of the south, east of Cleveland and in greater Cleveland, then southwest across western Ohio, and then west and northwest behind what is a cold front. And that cold front will be sweeping through tonight. So as I said, I think the temperatures are going to be warming up tonight because the warm front, the front of warmer air, and those southwesterly winds will push through. So that's going to help the temperatures elevate. And then tomorrow when the cold front gets here, that will change things on us once again. We'll get rid of the rain, which is good news, but it will start to get a little bit cooler too. This is that rain I was talking about that's coming in your hourly forecast later tonight, only to have a whole nother round off to the west that is still to come. It looks like we're a little bit soggy here for a time. So rain spreading across the area through the overnight, and it looks like the temperatures will hold in the 50s, backing down into the 40s for the start of the day tomorrow, with rain showers still in your morning forecast. By the afternoon, though, we should start to see a lot of that rain pressing south. And note that the temperatures have changed. Downtown lakeshore areas will be considerably cooler tomorrow than points farther south. You can see those 30s lining up along the lakeshore, while farther south we're into the 50s probably for the afternoon. Now, it's a bit of a trick when you start to get into these forecasts because wind direction is everything. And just how far inland will the lake's cooling influence go? Well, right now it looks like it should go fairly far inland, but the temperatures are a little tricky when you start to nail things down, because by the afternoon we'll see that coming back up a little bit. We may even get to see some peaks of sun later in the day, which will play with the temperatures on us. But I think for the most part in the afternoon hours, a lot of us will make it into the low 50s while the lakeshore areas stay in the 40s. Rain still to come. Well, this is not only tonight's rain, but we have a whole nother round of rain that moves in on Thursday, as I hinted at earlier. Universal Windows Direct 7-day forecast, those morning showers giving way to sun peaks late. I'm going 53. I might be a little bit aggressive on that, but it will be hopefully 50s for most of the area. Big push of warmth and rain coming Thursday, then we cool off. Headed into the holiday weekend, late rain to changing to snow Saturday night into Sunday morning, and then it gets out of here for the afternoon. That's going to be something to keep an eye on.
Okay, Betsy, thanks.